Good morning, friends. This winterizing thing, we've survived the coldest temperatures, and we didn't even get a room or anything.
We're tough.
No, but it was kind of like an adventure, you know, when you're a kid and you're home and the electricity goes out for a while. It was like that. That was the feeling. It's kind of exciting and yeah. We don't need no stinking room. I mean, it stayed really warm in the van. Now, we used the little buddy heater during the day when we were inside, and then the furnace at night, and
stayed toasty at night.
Yeah, I think we set the furnace to like 58, kicked on maybe every 45 minutes to an hour, but only for about 5 minutes at a time. So really worked out. I'm really pleased with how.
Yeah. One thing I did was I wrapped the blanket from here around the side door, and so that helped, you know, you want to maintain the heat in a smaller portion. It was cold in the cab in the morning when I got up and lifted the blanket up. It was really cold back in here, but the back of the van stayed toasty warm. So. And
I'm under like 2 sleeping bags back there, so I actually stayed in bed till about 11. So there was no reason to get up because I was not going outside. The dog, she was not having it. Were you, girl? No.
If I was to build my own van, I would insulate the floor, because the van, the vinyl floor, even when it's 70 degrees in the van, that floor, because of the cold right underneath there, that van floor is really cold. So we, you know, you can definitely put a carpet or something on this, it'd be better. But
we put a little blanket down. I do want to remind people and you that the Adventurous has radiant floor heating, so that would negate that problem.
Yeah. Or, since normally we would never be in this environment for a long period of time, how about we just, next time this year we're in Florida.
That sounds like a really good plan. We still have everything winterized. The tanks are still with the antifreeze. We have not been using freshwater tank or buying water. It is amazing how little water we're going through a day. I mean, we're drinking a lot, but just for washing dishes or brushing teeth and stuff, you really don't have to use that much. When you don't have a faucet running, you really get to see how much you're using.
Yeah, it's a little more inconvenient to not have the sink and the faucet. We use a bowl for the sink and then wash dishes and wash hands and face, and then just, you know, you dump it out.
Yeah.
But yeah, you don't use a lot of water. Most of our, I mean, we're in the gym every day, so we're showering and doing everything in the gym every day too.
Yeah, so that's been really convenient to have. There's a Planet Fitness real close here. We're still in Niagara, by the way. So we've been hitting the gym every day, and that's actually felt really good to start doing that every day. Yeah. So today we're headed to Lockport. That's about 20 miles away from here. There's an underground cave tour. We'll explain a little bit more of that as we get there.
If it's open.
If it's open, that's the thing. We're not sure. Online it looks like it's only open till the end of October, but then I called and the machine said it's open every day. So we'll let you know when we get there. Yesterday we did go out for lunch. I'll have to show you.
Birthday lunch.
Yeah, birthday lunch. We went to a Hibachi grill. I've never been. It was quite the experience. Check it out.
Oh yeah, yeehaw. Okay, before coming. Yeah, okay, ready? Yeah, leave it up. Yeah. Oh,
That's so
come
close.
on, one more try. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, come on, open wide.
And my glasses.
Come on, leave it up, baby. Yeah. Open wide, leave.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, don't do this in the hole. Enjoy the hole, oh, come on, to the lady and train.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Wasn't that cool? That was so much fun.
Yeah.
I couldn't understand that guy. He handed us that noodle. He said, Lady and the Tramp. Took me a second to register what was happening. So that was a fun time.
What a fun guy, though.
It was a good time. Okay, off to the caves.
Okay, cave bound.
Pistol, I don't think you can go though, girl.
Cave dog. Oh my gosh.
She wants to go back to bed.
Yeah.
Wah, wah, it's closed. Well, there's the Erie Canal, folks. So what this was, they take you on a boat into the caves. And these caves were, basically they take you through the history of the Industrial Revolution and the building of the Erie Canal. There's artifacts and things in there from 1800.
We'll have to come back.
Yeah, I was real curious about it. It sounded very interesting. So
Most of the time, off-season travel is the best because it's not so busy. But sometimes off-season travel is everything.
But mostly we've ran into that in the Northeast. I think because the weather. In the South, you don't have that problem because it's nice weather
That's
year
true.
round.
We were traveling all winter. All the campgrounds are open except no one else was in them, and
Yeah.
or very few people. It was kind of nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, I totally get it. It's probably good it was closed. It's like 40 degrees, but I bet in those caves.
Yeah. So 40 degrees, that's kind of a heat wave for us. Now, what's the coldest it got? The cold night
We had 2 really cold days. Both of those nights it got down to about 19. And one day was, I think, a high of maybe 24.
Yeah.
But after those 2 days, now it's been, I think, hasn't been down below freezing since. So today is 40. The forecast here for this area stays above freezing for the most part. In the days, I think in a couple days it's supposed to be up to 50. Mm-hmm. But we're hopefully going to be going into Canada in the next few days. And
we keep saying that. I think subconsciously I'm putting off that border crossing.
No, we'll probably go there this week, and either we can get the stuff done that, they're trying to get us in to get some stuff done, but we'll come back either in the spring or summer and do it if they can't get it.
We need to get out of here.
The snow's going to fly, and it's
I don't want to be stuck.
Yeah,
we're going to freestyle it today for something fun to do. So we have no plans, and we're just going to look for something that's open and something that looks like fun. So
let's do it.
Freestyling. A lot of things are closed for the winter. We did find a museum, but neither one of us were in the mood for a museum. So we found a nature trail. I think that's a great choice because she hasn't got a good walk in a couple days because of the cold weather. Get our legs moving. Boy, she is excited. All right, let's get it, girl. Okay.
She's pooped.
Mission accomplished. We wore Pistol out. We all needed a little bit of exercise. Now, we've been going to the gym, though. So, we've been getting exercise, but her little potty breaks have been pretty short. It's been so cold, but...
Yeah. Put lots of coats on her, but them poor little feet on that
I know.
20-degree ground wasn't going to do it.
No. No, if we got to do that again, we need to get some sort of wax for her feet or something.
Yeah, I saw a thing online where the two main ingredients are beeswax and coconut oil.
Mm-hmm.
Put them in a pan, melt them together, then put it on their feet. And it protects for like the chemicals they put on the roads. And
I was worried
salt.
about that. I was washing her feet after every time we went out because I know they did put chemicals down where
there's
she
a lot
was
of
walking.
salt been down the roads in this area. So
Yeah. So, yeah, nice nature trail.
Lockport Nature Trail, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
I don't think
like
we saw
that.
half of it, but it was trails were real nice.
Oh, and I love the waterfall.
Yeah, it was
Like
cool.
iced. Part of it had icicles. Yeah. So that's what we get for freestyling.
Day ain't over yet.
It's not over.
Let's go find some food.
Sounds good.
What's going on, guys?
Oh, hey. Well, I turned on Pistol's heated blanket. This one over here. And she decided that this looked better. So, we're working on a video.
She knows what's up.
Yeah.
Mama's warmer than a blanket.
Mm-hmm.
Good girl.
Working on a video. We rented a couple movies. What did we get? The Mummy and Going in Style. That should turn out better than last night's movie we rented.
Wait, what was the name of the movie?
Compadres, which should have been our first clue.
Was it in Spanish?
It
don't
had
speak
English subtitles. It actually wasn't that good, so we turned it off midway through. But that's how our night's gonna go. Catch you guys later.
Lazy nights.
See ya.